Okay, students, I want to give you a little help on a problem that I know from past experience gives students some trouble, and it's one like number 5 on the Unit 5 My Stats Lab homework. This problem has to do with household income and weekly TV hours. And for income, they give us a range of values which cannot be used in order to graph or to find the line of best fit, or to find the correlation coefficient. So on this problem, I'm going to show you how to set it up and then how to use the Correl function of Excel to get the correlation coefficient. All right, so here we go. I have my problem open. I have clicked on click here to view the table, and then I'm clicking the two little windows and copying the data to the clipboard, which I then paste into my blank Excel document. Now you can see the household income is given in ranges, and we can't work with that. We can't find the correlation coefficient with ranges, and so we go back and read the directions again and it tells us for the household income that's less than $30,000, use $25,000. In other words, we're changing these ranges into one number. And then for the others, use the midpoint between the two numbers. And so between 30,000 and 40,000 would be 35,000. Between 40,000 and 50,000 would be 45,000. And then between 50 and 60,000 would be 55,000. And then they tell us in the directions for income more than 60,000 to use 70,000. Okay, so now we have our table completed. We've taken our ranges that were given and we've narrowed them down to a single value. And now then we're going to find the correlation coefficient. I just like to label what I'm finding so that when I have it done, I know what I have in this box right here. Okay, so I'm going to click in this box. I'm going to type equals and start off CORR, and then it pops up, correlation coefficient, which we will double click, and then for array 1, we will put in household income. For array 2, we'll put a comma and do weekly TV hours, close it up with parentheses, and push enter. And so we have a negative 0.8761 correlation, which is saying as household income goes up, the number of TV viewing hours goes down. We have a negative correlation, and it's a pretty strong correlation. The closer it is to -1 or +1, the stronger the correlation. Okay, I hope this helps you with your correlation coefficient and what to do when you have ranges of data. Thank you, and get started on your homework and let me know if you have any questions.